guro, mga nagsipagtapos at mga magulang. Tinatawagan po mga magulang ng mga batang gagawaran ng medalya at sertipiko ng mga batang nagkamit ng medalya at sertipiko ng karangalan mula sa Baitang Haning Mapagmahal. Jabez G. Altares, Batang May Karangalan, Outstanding Performance in Mathematics and Filipino, District Mantanong Participant, Champion in Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino in the District Schools Press Conference and Division Qualifier, Participant during the Municipality of Bay Extemporaneous Speech, Award for Organization Achievement, Conduct Award, Youth Achievement Award from Thea Quirino, Youth Service Award from Rotary Club of Bay. Carl Anthony R. Barrera, Batang May Karangalan, District Mantanong Participant, Participant in Commemorating English during the District Schools Press Conference, Vice Governor Karen Agapay Leadership Awardee, Award for Organization Achievement, District Athletic Volleyball Champion and Unit Qualifier, Conduct Awardee. Denzel Roland P. Aguilar, Batang May Karangalan, District Athletic Volleyball Champion and Unit Qualifier, Participant in Picture Writing English during the District Schools Press Conference, Award for Organization Achievement and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Nigel Ives B. Ilagan, Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Achiever, Champion in Unit Athletic Fit, Badminton and Division Qualifier, Member of Ramen Corps. Frisky G. Palmeri, Batang May Karangalan, District Mantanong Participant, Champion in Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino, and Division Qualifier, Conduct Awardee. John Andrews C. Cornea, Batang May Karangalan. Ralph Jester P. Zamora, Batang May Karangalan, Outstanding Performance in English, Science and Arts, 6th place in Editorial Academic English during the Division Schools Press Conference, Member of SAES DLC, Municipality of Bay BFT Quiz B, Participant during the District Readathon English and Conduct Awardee. Gwyneth L. Alhama, Batang May Karangalan, Champion in Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino, Conduct Awardee. Jenica Daniel Villanore, Batang May Karangalan, Participant during the District Readathon Filipino, District Athletic Volleyball Champion, 3rd place in the Science and Technology Writing Filipino in the District Schools Press Conference and Division Qualifier, Member of SAES DLC, Award for Organization Achievement and Conduct Awardee. Zaire May R. Arbilon, Batang May Karangalan, District Athletic Volleyball Champion and Unit Qualifier, Member of SAES DLC, 2nd place in Radio Broadcasting in the District Schools Press Conference, Member of SAES Dance Award for Organization Achievement and Conduct Awardee. Ramiro C. Larios, Batang May Karangalan, Member of SAES DLC, Member of SAES Dance Group, Award for Organization Achievement. Sophia E. Morales, Batang May Karangalan, Outstanding Performance in Athletic 4th place during the District Athletic Quiz B, Perfect Attendance Awardee, Conduct Awardee.